Hey guys, it's Tony. You guys asked me to make a quick donkey, I guess TA, ask and we shall receive, I guess, right? I'm actually showering right now. Because I just finished working out, but fuck it. All we're waiting for is the 4-hour MACD to cross bullish. That's it. That's all I'm waiting for. On the day chart, we're actually still pretty bullish, and the stochastic is about to cross towards the bullish side. On the 4-hour chart, that's literally it. If we don't create any fresh bullish candles and we do test back up towards the upside and we cross that 4-hour bullish MACD, we're basically, we're basically going to the upside. I don't think we're going to be going back down. I think if we do cross bullish in the next couple of hours, I do think the next stop from right now is probably going to be I don't know, it's going to be 2 cents, possibly higher than 2 cents. We need to gauge to see what happens, but I'm telling you guys right now, if we don't create any fresh bearish candles on this MACD, we're going to keep going all the way up. I do think, last time we rallied from 0048 all the way up to, like a cent 0.5, right? If that happens again, if we do cross on this 4-hour bullish for the MACD, I do think we might have a similar rally. I do think the next stop for us is going to be around the 2 cent level, possibly a little bit higher, a little bit lower, but it's going to be around that range, But yeah, as of right now, completely bullish. Like I said, as long as we don't create any fresh bearish MACD candles on the downside, we're completely bullish and we're looking for a breakout toward the upside. And as of right now, that 009695 range that we've been kind of consolidating on, this is probably going to be the bottom.